Good morning everyone. So in my previous class I have discussed about the perimeter of a rectangle and a square. Today means in this class I'll discuss about the perimeter of a circle also. Clear? So first I am going to give you the basic concept of perimeter of a circle. So in place of perimeter term we use the circumference also, because perimeter means what? Perimeter means the length of the boundary. So when we talk about the circle, then we use the term circumference of the circle. Clear? So circumference of the circle means what? Circumference of the circle means if this one is a circle. Clear? Then this whole is what? This whole is called the circumference of the circle. Okay? And you know, if this one is center, then this will be what? Radius. Clear? So if O is center, then OA will be the radius. And when we extend this line till here, then this is suppose B, then this whole is what? AB is a diameter. So OA is equal to OB, and this is equal to what? Radius. And AB, this is what? Diameter. Clear? So radius, we can say that the radius means R, diameter means D. So radius is a half of a diameter. Clear? Radius is what? Radius is a half of a diameter. So if diameter is 4 centimeter. Clear? If diameter is 4 centimeter, then radius will be what? 4 by 2. That is 2 centimeter. Clear? Now, or we can say that the diameter is what? Diameter is 2 into radius. So, if radius is 3 centimeter, then diameter will be equal to what? 2 into 3, that is 6 centimeter. So I hope this concept is clear, that the radius is equal to diameter by 2, means half of diameter. So if diameter is 4 centimeter, then the radius is what? 4 by 2, that is 2 centimeter. Or we can say that the diameter is twice of radius, means double of radius. So if radius is 3 centimeter, then the diameter will be what? 6 centimeter. Clear? One more thing you should know, circumference of the circle. Clear? That I'll discuss it. Means I solve some questions based on that. What is circumference of the circle? There is also a formula to find the circumference of the circle. So circumference of the circle we can write it. We use the formula 2 pi r, where this r is what? Radius. Clear? This part is radius. Here the value of pi is fixed. This is 22 by 7, or we can take 3.14. It's according to our convenient. Clear? Both we can take. So here the value of 2 is fixed, value of pi is fixed, value of r only varies. So according to the question we find out the value of r, and we use formula for finding the circumference is 2 pi r. Okay? So when I solve questions based on this, the concept will be more clear. So let's solve some questions. Okay? So now let's start with this question. So question number 1. The cost of fencing. And one more thing. For square, I'll use the symbol, you know. For rectangle also I use the symbol. For area, I'll write capital A. For length, I'll write L. For breadth, I'll write B. For perimeter, I'll write P. Okay. And for circle, I'll make a symbol of circle. Okay. So now, let's start. So the cost of fencing. The cost of fencing a square field. Fencing a square field at the rate of rupees 75 per meter rupees 75 per meter is rupees 67,500. Find the perimeter. Find the perimeter and the side of the square field. And find the perimeter and the side of a square field. Okay. So how we will solve it? The cost of fencing a square field at the rate of rupees 75 per meter is this one. Find the perimeter and the side. Clear? Means rupees 75 per meter. Rupees 75 per meter means what? Cost of fencing 1 meter of square field is rupees 75. Clear? What is the meaning of this line? The meaning of this line is cost of fencing 1 meter of square field is rupees 75. So here the rupees is given. Clear? Again we can find out that this rupees is used for fencing what length of the square field. So let's find out. So we can write that rupees 75 is the cost of 1 meter. Okay. Therefore, rupees 1 will be the cost of what? 1 by 75. This is understood. And so rupees 67,500 will be the cost of what? 1 by 75 into 67500. So now cut it. 5 15 5s are 75, and then here 15 4s are 60, then 15 5s are 75, then 0 and then 0, then again 5 9s are 0 0. Means the answer will be what? 900 meter. Clear? Means the perimeter is what? Perimeter is 900 meter. So perimeter is what? 900 meter. Clear? I hope you have also got the same answer. You have also done like this. So perimeter is what? 900 meter. Now perimeter we have got. Can we find out the side? Yes. How we can find out the side? Side is equal to perimeter divided by 4. Yes. Let's do that. So perimeter is equal to 4 into side. And we have to find out the side. So side is equal to perimeter by 4. Perimeter by 4. And perimeter is what? 900. So 900 by 4. This will be what? 250 meter answer. So side will be what? This is the first part. Clear? And this is what? The second part. So side will be 250 meter. Clear? Now let's do the next question. The length and breadth of rectangle are. The length and breadth of rectangle are what? 36 centimeter and 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. If its perimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square, if its perimeter is equal to the perimeter of a square, find the sides of a square. Find sides of a square. Okay? Very easy question this is. So length and breadth of rectangle are this. Find, and if its perimeter. So means first we'll find out what? The perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle will be what? Perimeter of rectangle will be equal to 2L plus B. Clear? So L is 36, B is this one. So we can write 264 and this is equal to what? 138 meter. Clear? Means perimeter of square is equal to what? 138 meter. Clear? And this is equal to 4 into side. Okay. So can we find out side? So side will be equal to what? 138 divided by 4 and this is equal to what? Cancel it. So 2 2 is 4 and then okay, so it will be equal to sides of a square. Okay, so 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and this one. So side will be equal to what? Side will be equal to I hope we have not done any mistake. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2L plus B. Okay, 36 and 28. There is no problem. 8 6 14, 3 2 5 and 1 6. So when we will multiply, so it will be equal to what? Find the perimeter. Oh, this is wrong here. 128. Yes, this will be what? 128. Yes, so here also 2. So 128 divided by 4. So this will be equal to 32 centimeter. Answer. Okay, now it is clear. Now let's do the next question. Next is the radius of circle is 21 centimeter. The radius of circle is what? 21 centimeter. Find circumference. Find circumference. Clear? So how we'll find out? We know circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi is 22 by 7 and r is given what? 21. 3. So 6 into 22. 132 centimeter. Answer. Okay, it is not difficult, very easy. Just it is what? Just write the formula and substitute the value. Now next. The diameter of circular field is 56 meter. The diameter of circular field is what? Circular field is 56 meter. Find its circumference. Find its circumference. Find its circumference and cost of fencing it. And cost of fencing it and cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. At the rate of rupees 80 per meter, at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. How we'll solve it? So diameter is given 56. Diameter is 56. Means what? Radius will be equal to 56 by 2, that is 28 centimeter. Only meter is given. So circumference we can find out. So circumference is equal to what? 2 pi r, and so 2 into pi into r. So 4 times 8 into 22, 176 meter. So first answer is 176. Now cost of fencing it at the rate of rupees 80 per meter. So cost of 1 meter is what? Rupees 80. So cost of 176. So fencing of, no, we will write like this. Cost of fencing 176 meter, and this will be equal to what? 176 into 80. 176 into 80 means what? 0. Clear? Then so rupees 14,080. Clear? What will be the answer? Rupees 14,080 cost of fencing 176 meter. Okay. Now let's do next question. I hope these questions you are able to solve. You are also getting the same answer. Very good. Now, next is the circumference of circle is 440 meter. The circumference of circle is 440 meter. Okay, 440 centimeter. It is given centimeter. Clear? Find radius and diameter. Find radius and diameter. So circumference of circle is given what here? Is 440. Means we can write 2 pi r is equal to 440. So r will be equal to what? 440 by 2 into pi means 22, and 7 we will write here. So how many times? 2 times. This is also 10, means 70 centimeter. So radius is what? 70 centimeter. Now we have to find out diameter. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. So 2 into 70, that is 140 centimeter. Clear? So diameter is equal to what? 2 into radius, and so simply we can multiply, and the answer is here. Okay. Now let's do the next one. The radius of two circles are the radii of two circles are 20 and 13 centimeter. 20 centimeter and 13 centimeter. Okay. Find the difference between their circumference. Find the difference between their circumference. Okay. We have to find the difference between the circumference. So first we'll find out the radii of the first one. So clear. So first we'll find 2 pi r1. So let r1 is equal to 20 and r2 is equal to 13. Clear? So 2 pi r1 means 2 into pi or simply in a very easiest way I am explaining here. So difference between the circumference, this one is greater, so we can write 2 pi r1 minus 2 pi r2. Clear? So difference will be equal to what? 2 pi is common. What is in the bracket? R1 minus R2. And so 2 pi R1 is what here? 20 minus 13. Clear? So we can write here 2 into 22 by 7 into 7. 7 cancel, 44 centimeter answer. It is very easy. Clear? Just apply a little bit to your brain so that you don't have to do a lot of calculation. We got it here that 2 pi is common. Take it out and solve it. Okay. Now let's do the next question. Now the next question is, the diameter of a circle is 42 centimeter. The diameter of circle is equal to 42 centimeter. Find perimeter. Find perimeter. Clear. Next, if perimeter is doubled, what will be the radius of the new circle? If perimeter is doubled, what will be the radius of new circle? What will be the radius of new circle? Okay, we have to find out radius of a new circle. So diameter of circle is given what? 42 centimeter. Find perimeter. Perimeter means what? Circumference. I have discussed perimeter means circumference of a circle. So D is 42. Then R will be equal to what? 42 by 2, that is 21 centimeter. And so perimeter will be equal to what? 2 pi R. Clear? So 2 into pi into R. How many times? 3. Then 6 into 22. This is equal to 132 centimeter. Okay, so this is the P1. Take this one R1. Take this one D1. Okay. Now, what will be the radius of the new circle if perimeter is doubled? Means P2 is what? According to the question, P2 is twice of P1. Means we can write P2 is equal to 2 into 132. And so 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6 and 2 1s are 2. Clear? 264 centimeter. So, means we can write 2 pi R2 is equal to what? 264. Okay. So, we have to find out what? Radius. We have to find out the radius. So, R2 will be equal to what? R2 will be equal to 264 divided by 2 into 22 and then here 7. So here how many times? 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, then here also 11, 11 2s are, and here 11 1, 11 2. Means 12 into 12 into 7 by 2. Again we can cancel 2 6 are. So here we can write what? 42 centimeter. Means new radius will be what? 42 centimeter, and the first perimeter was what? 132 centimeter. Clear? This is not difficult. This is little bit twisted. Of course, it is maths. So slowly, of course, the level of the question will be higher. So, but I think the concept has become very clear, and this sum has also become very clear to you. Okay? Now, let's do the next one. The perimeter of a square and circumference of a circle are equal. Perimeter of a square and perimeter of circle are what? Equal. Clear? If the length of each side of the square is 22 centimeter, if length of each side of square is 22 centimeter. Find first one, perimeter of what? Perimeter of square. And second you have to find circumference of circle, means P of circle. And third you have to find out radius of the circle. Clear? R of circle. Good. Very nice question. Let's solve it. It is given perimeter of a square is equal to perimeter of a what? Circle. If length of each side of a square is given 22 centimeter, then we can find out what? Perimeter of a square. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side. Clear? So we can write 4 into 22, that is 88 centimeters. So this is the first one. This is the first part. Second part, find perimeter of a circumference. It is given in the question that this is equal. So perimeter of a circle is also 88 centimeter according to the question. And third one, you have to find out R of circle. You know 2 pi r is what? 88. Clear? So R will be equal to what? 88 by 2 into 22 into 7. Here you can write how many times? 4 times. How many times? 2 times. And so 14 centimeter. Clear? It is not here. So R is equal to, here is 2. We can cut. When we will cut, we will get here. 2 to the 4. So 14 centimeter. So this is the third answer. I think all the questions have become very clear to you. Thank you very much for this class. More questions are there, and those questions I will solve in the next class. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you very much.